No more dark underarm spots. I'll teach you how to make a natural brightening deodorant that will not only keep you feeling fresh, but also help you say goodbye to those pesky dark spots. You'll need a medium-sized glass container. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to the container, known for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, which will act as an absorbent agent to keep the area dry. Then, add 2 tablespoons of milk of magnesia, a key ingredient for its ability to neutralize odors and soften the skin. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until they are fully combined, forming a smooth paste. Meanwhile, take an empty deodorant container. You can reuse one you already have. Remove the cap and wash it thoroughly with plenty of water to ensure it's completely clean. Once it's dry, carefully pour the mixture you just prepared into the container. Put the cap back on, and you're done. Use this homemade deodorant as part of your daily routine. Within a few days, you'll notice how the dark spots on your underarms begin to fade, leaving your skin clearer, softer, and more even.